Hello, and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to reveal two of the finest coupon codes and a step-by-step tutorial on how you can claim as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So the deals are limited, so I want you guys to take the advantage of it by simply clicking on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link from Hostinger, which I have gathered for my audience, you will be landed over here. And now I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 95% coupon code discount. So first of all, look around on the 30 days money back guarantee. It's an amazing feature by Hostinger which cover all of your issues. No question asked. 30 days money back guarantee is a great add-on by Hostinger. And now look around on the reviews on Trustpilot. Now Trustpilot is an industry's independent review website where they review and approve the honest feedbacks by the customers. And if you look around in the reviews, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Okay, almost all of the reviews are 5 star, and you can see I've been using this hosting for 3 months now and impressed. Even I'm using it from the last 5 years and I'm very impressed because I'm using it for my own blog, and I never had any issues. These are some of the testimonials, further testimonials of the people. Hostinger has also been featured on almost famous websites around on the internet. Hostinger Horizon is an AI tool, and if you are using WordPress, Hostinger has a dedicated WordPress functionality where you can host and create your WordPress website. And if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a migrate to Hostinger service where they shift 100 or all of your website that to free of cost, and the rates are market competitive. Where you pay market $2400 for the same service, Hostinger is offering you all that free with migrate for free service as well, and 30 days money back guarantee. This is only valid if you click on the link in the description. Now no more further waiting, and I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 95% coupon code discount. So make sure to click on the link in the description and now directly move on to the plans. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime. All of the plans have 24/7 support. So these are the three most popular plan. I want you guys to do a thorough search of all the plan features function before opting for one. If you ask me, I've been using the business plan from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good. And this is a plan on which you can get up to 95% discount, but you can get good discount on other plans as well if you click on the link in the description. Just do a thorough search of what plan function features you may need before opting for one. Let's say I'm going into a business plan. Right now you can see it's 79% off, but with this coupon code and a special discounting, I'm going to make it 95%. Simply select the choose plan over here with 79%, and I'm going to make it 95% for you guys. So once you select the choose plan, now you are being redirected over here, and now you have to select your billing period. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. But this is our special one-time limited time deal for my audience, and they won't come again. So I want you guys to take the advantage of it by opting for the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money. So my recommendation is to offer the 48 months. But you can also offer 24 or 12 months as well. Now after this, you can claim your free domain for the first year. The free domain is only valid for the first year. You can also claim it later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. So I'm just giving you an example on how I can claim a free domain. I'm just going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional. So remember, 79% was over there. Now see your order summary over here, and now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. Simply apply the coupon code over here, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So 79% plus 10% is 89%. Plus do your math, add a free domain, free daily backup, and 5 free email boxes, and it's going to be more than 95% discount for you. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So use this coupon code and a special discount link to get this amazing discount. You can see your coupon code is applied. See your order summary over here. 30 days money back guarantee is valid. Free domain privacy protection is included. See the amazing Hostinger reviews. Now after you select the continue, you may be asked to log in at Hostinger or need to synchronize with the Google account or need to create a new account. So I'm just going to synchronize and get back to you. So I'm just synchronized over here. You can see I'm logged in, and I can see my order summary over here. My coupon code discount is valid. Now write my billing details over here and simply select the continue over here. Make sure that everything is as per I have shown you. Make sure to see your order summary. Coupon code is applied. Now coming on payment method. This is what I like regarding Hostinger, that they offer you variety payment method: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate for crypto payments, and they even offer you more for country specific payments. Now this is another amazing thing by Hostinger, that they offer you even more country specific payment methods as well. So this is amazing. Let's say I'm going to credit card. I'm going to select a new payment method over here, write my credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And once I select the submit payment, within a few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description, use the height of the coupon code to enjoy as much as up to 95% discount. These are special limited time deals for my audience, and I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, which is why I recommend you to enjoy this limited time coupon code deal from Hostinger. So use as I have described in this video. Good luck with your amazing discount deals at Hostinger with this coupon code. Good luck.